iPhone SE 2020 or iPhone 11, which phone to buy? Apple started selling the iPhone SE 2020 to attract budget-conscious users and just those who don't see the point of spending $1,000 on phones like the iPhone 11 Pro or Galaxy S20. Despite the fact that the new product is a continuation of the original iPhone SE line, it has nothing to do with the previous generation iPhone SE 2020, Apple. And although the outwardly new iPhone SE looks more like the iPhone 8, who said that it will not be able to compete with one of the top Apple smartphones. iPhone SE 2020 is $300 cheaper than iPhone 11. What's the catch? After a 4-year hiatus between the old and the new iPhone SE, Apple decided to have an effect on the smartphone market. iPhone SE 2020 has added wireless charging, a camera with better indicators and, finally made it waterproof. The new iPhone SE no longer has a 3.5mm headphone jack, only Bluetooth, only hardcore, well, or an adapter. iPhone SE is your best bet. You will save $300 immediately compared to the iPhone 11, which is $950 for a younger model. But the iPhone 11 has some additional features. If you are making a purchase decision right now, you will definitely be interested.